As a younger man, I wore many hats. At one time, I was a boxer, hence these cauliflower ears. I played hockey for 14 years and received, well, not one, but 2 broken noses. I was a diver, scuba diver, dived religiously, and what did I get? Partially collapsed lung. You name the sport, I did it. I guess you could say that I was a certified thrill seeker, and as I've aged, I can't do any of that anymore. However, I have found an elixir, the fountain of youth for me. And nowadays I don a different hat, and it's a red fedora. Why? For one, because I like it, and for 2, that's all that matters. So come join me on my rides. I'm known as Red Fedora Guy, and you're gonna see how much fun it is. I've never had so much fun in my life twisting and turning through the streets of Vietnam, and you're gonna love it. It's a roller coaster ride, and if you can't do it, well, that's fine too. You can watch and see how much fun it can really be. It's a cultural experience, and it's done with a professional driver with me on the back. No BS, no AI. It's all live. There's no fillers or anything. So come join me in my experience, and I hope you like it. Thank you.